Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers. Today we will solve a question from JEE Main based on definite integral. The question is evaluate limit 0 to pi by 4 integral x dx whole upon sine power 4 twice x plus cos power 4 twice x. So let's begin. So first let me take twice x equals to t, then twice dx equals to dt, or dx equals to half dt. So x equals to half t. I am replacing now, but before that I'll change the limit. X was 0, lower limit, so t is also 0. And when x was pi by 4, t equals to twice x, that will be pi by 2. So it will be 0 to pi by 2, half t, half dt whole over sine power 4 t plus cos power 4t. The next line, this is little bit simplifying. This is 1 by 4, 0 to pi by 2 dt t dt over sine power 4t plus cos power 4t. Your integral. Now we'll apply the properties of the definite integral, applying 0 to a f of x dx integral equals to limit 0 to a f of a minus x integral with respect to dx. So here a equals to pi by 2, so I can write I equals to 4 0 to pi by 2. It will be pi by 2 minus t dt over sine power 4 pi by 2 minus dt cos power 4 pi by 2 minus dt minus t, sorry. So this is nothing but your 1 by 4 pi by 2 minus t, and the denominator will be same. First will be converted to cos power 4t, the second will be sine. So this was integral, and same integral we are getting here. So adding them, twice integral equals to same, say they have the same denominator. The numerator will be t plus pi by 2 minus t. This 2 will be cancelled, so this will be pi by 8 will come outside, 0 to pi by 2. Here it will be dt over sine power 4t plus cos power 4t. So next, I'll convert this as tan function, so I'll divide throughout with cos power 4. Divided with cos power 4t twice I equals to pi by 8. 0 to pi by 2, it will be sec power 4t. So this can be written as a sec square t into sec square t dt, and here 10 power 4 t plus 1. Now taking tan t equals to y sec square t dt equals to dy, and 1 sec square t can be written as 1 plus y square. Now changing to the limit, t was 0 lower limit, and then t or y equals to 0, and when t is pi by 2, y equals to infinity. So equal twice I equals to pi over 8, 0 to infinity, 1 plus y square dy over y power 4 plus 1. Now dividing with y square, both the numerator and denominator will get 1 plus 1 over y square, and this will be, denominator will be y power 2 plus 1 by y power 2 dy. Function is in form of y in term of y. Here this denominator I will convert so that its derivative is the numerator. So I am taking y square plus 1 over y square equals to 1y minus 1 by y whole square plus 2, so that I can take y minus 1 by y equals to z, then 1 plus 1 over y square dy equals to dz. But before that I have to change the limit. Here y was 0, so z equals to 0 minus 1 by over 0 equals to negative infinity, and y when it is infinity, z equals to infinity minus 0, that will be positive infinity. Twice I equals to pi by 8 negative infinity to positive infinity, your dz over z square plus 2. Plus 2 means root 2 whole square. So we can put the formula for integral. This will be 1 by a, 1 by root 2 tan inverse z over root 2, from negative infinity to positive infinity. Or twice I equals to a root 2 tan inverse negative infinity equals to pi by 2 minus pi by 2 twice I equals to pi by pi into pi over 8 root 2 equals to pi square over 16 root 2. So this is the answer. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share. Please subscribe the channel.